Here we go. This is the Airbnb we booked at the last minute. There is the hall. There is one of the bedroom. Two people can sleep here. One people sleep here. Dining and huge hallway where you got a kitchen. There's some locked rooms, two locked rooms. There's one more bed with an AC and a sofa. So here one more bed with a balcony. It's like three rooms with 8 people. No, sorry, 7 people. So that's the Airbnb we got. We found last night at 2 a.m. So everyone is getting ready to move out because we have to catch a flight. It's a good spot. Like we got a decent parking, so that's fine. But obviously it's paid. Oh, this is it a 23 Range Rover? No, this is the older one. Started at 15,000 kilometers. Now it's at 17,800. So we did quite a lot of my kilometers on this car. This car has been performing very well, at least for now. Not jinxing it, but yeah, it's pretty decent for the price. And we have to return it now. Yeah, let's go. So the plan right now is go to Grand Bazaar, check out few stuff, buy few things and gifts for friends, family, and then from there have some lunch and go to the airport because we got no time actually. We have to be at the airport by 2 to give the cars, pay the challans and all the stuff, sort out everything. So we have to be quick in every place. We can't be slow. Guys, look at this, a car elevator. It takes us to the parking. This is my first time. You can see there. Yeah, that's car elevator. This is my first time. So they take the car from us. They take it to the left and take it down. Let's go, Grand Bazaar. You can see the car is going here. This is a proper market. We are heading to Grand Bazaar. This whole thing is a Grand Bazaar actually. We are just going to a particular shop to buy a few clothes. So, it's packed. Look at So we bought few stuff, but the thing is, we are late. We are late for the flight. We are running right now. We need to take a car from, it's like 10-15 minutes away walk. 10 minutes walk from here. We have to take the car and quickly sprint through the crowd and go to the, take the car and quickly go to the airport because our flight is leaving in few hours. We have to check in as soon as possible. We have very less time. So we are running right now through the crowd. This is Grand Bazaar. This whole thing is Grand Bazaar. Because the traffic is insane traffic. And my friends are yet to come, both of them, who will be coming in our car. So we are just sitting here stuck. I don't know what will happen today because we have very tight schedule. It's going very tight. Our flight is at 5:30 and it's already 2. It will take 1 hour for the airport and another 1 hour for the car check-in. I don't know how we'll manage, but we have to be there no matter what. Hopefully they come fast and.
यहाँ पे कितने देना है?
I just gave a slip to the guy, ticket. He's gonna bring the car out from the. Oh, C63S. Nice. So he's gonna bring the car out and we'll be ripping from here. Or else we won't make it to the airport. So as you can see, we are on the road and we got onto the highway which takes us to the airport. And but finally we might have made it. Like we are not sure. What is it? So yeah, that's it. That's it. So our car has gone away. This car has just arrived, our second car. Now they'll do the checking of this and they'll take it from them and we'll be on our way to the airport, inside the airport and check in and finally catch flight. It's 3 o'clock, 5:30 is our flight. We have to check in right now. All of these are for rental, guys. All of these cars. So there are so many companies, rental companies in Turkey. So you can choose this. Every one of us at least 100 cars easily. At least 30 minimum. All of these cars right here, whole area is filled of rental cars. So yeah, if you are coming to Turkey, this is the spot where you get a car. It is it's very nice actually. The service is very nice and very good conditions. We got a brand new car, 15,000 kilometer car. They got a 20,000 kilometer car. So the car conditions are very, very good. You can choose many of them. Insane options. So they are all ready. We have to quickly go. After long 8 days, we are back in the airport. This is the airport. Istanbul International Airport. It is so nice. It is huge. Oh, look at that. The straight accelerator, walking accelerator. This is Istanbul International Airport. Got the ticket. So let's go. Have to check in right now. Have to go through security. Once it's done, we are in. We just got in and there are so many stores here. Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Fendi, Dior, and the duty free is in front. So let's go there and check it out. Bulgari. We made it to the flight. I'm boarding it right now. Check it out. British Airways. Flight is of 4 hours. We'll be landing there at 7:40 p.m. So it's gonna be a good one. So guys, we have a bus in literally 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Thanks to me, I booked the
Tell-
flexible ticket.
Yeah, so we booked that flexible ticket. Like already, what do you say?
Paying extra for it.
No.
And also, because the extension costed a little bit more.
And we are out. This is Terminal 5. We have to go to Terminal 2 to get on the bus. We changed the bus timing to, we booked the next bus which is at 11. Currently it's 9:30 and this whole thing is at Terminal 5. We have to go to Terminal 2 because there is the main bus stop. It's cold outside. It's like 17 degrees. Not bad, but it's about to get even colder. Okay, let's go to Terminal 2. So we are right now in the bus stop, the central bus station of Heathrow. We are 3 of us staying here, and the 4 others have left to get us food. They went to Hounslow to get some Indian food. So we are just waiting for them. The bus will be here in 1 hour. They are getting us biryani. And hopefully they'll come fast so that we can eat peacefully and then start for the bus back to home. Finally, it's been a big trip. Finally back to home.